Hello my friends, I hope you are fine. I am with you with another HTML training course. In this session, I will talk about HTML formatting. There are a series of elements in HTML that are special for text formatting. That is, they give the text a special appearance. In this session, we will be introduced to 10 of these elements. Continue to watch this video with a smile and a good feeling. The first element we examine is element B, which stands for bold text. If you have worked with software like Word, you know that we can bold and highlight the text. We do this in HTML using element B. In this way, the open B tag, the desired text, and the closing B tag. Suppose we have a paragraph element which is written by my name is Mahdiye. Then we put the Mahdiye's name in B element. The output is like this, which shows Mahdiye in bold. HTML has a nesting feature. As you can see here, we use the B element inside the P element. The next element that we want to get to know is string element. When we want to specify text in such a way that we can say that this text is one of special importance, we put the text inside the string tag. This is we write the string open tag, desired text, and string closing tag. In this way, we write the paragraph tag and the desired text, then the string open tag and the HTML word and string closing tag and closing P tag. The output is the same as tag B. The string element and B have the same output in terms of appearance, but they have a difference that the B element only makes the text bold and does not give it any special meaning. It only has an appearance aspect, but the string element similar to B element makes the text bold, but which one difference? That is, this example, the word HTML is important for search engine and for SEO. What is SEO? Suppose there are 100 sites about programming. When we Google the programming training of 10 of these sites is on the first page. The science that makes the site appear on the first page of Google is called SEO. So the string element is important for search engine and optimization discussion. The next element is I, which stands for italic text. That is the text of the case. It displays the comment in italic. We write it in the open and closing I tag, inside which we place the content. For example, my name is Mahdiye, and we write the word Mahdiye inside the I tags. And the output is displayed in italics. The next element is EM element, which is an abbreviation for emphasized text. We place the content between the open and closing EM tags. Where is it used? My name is Mahdiye. Its output is exactly like the I element, an italic text. But the EM element is for screen readers. As I said before, screen readers are for people who have vision problems or are blind, and they can use this software to browse web pages. The EM element causes the screen reader to read the word emphasize. For example, we have a text that writes, this article is about HTML training. Now if we put HTML between the EM element, it reads like this. This article is about HTML training. The next element is mark element, which stands for mark text. Have you ever had a part of a book that was important to you that you highlighted with a marker? This element does exactly that on web pages. We write in this way that we place the desired text between open and closing mark tags. I will give an example of my name is Mahdiye. We put the Mahdiye between a start and end mark tags, which will be displayed as highlight in the output of the word that is placed between the mark element here. The next element is del element, which stands for deleted text. If we want to draw a line on the word in HTML, we use the del tag. And like the previous elements, we write the desired text between open and closing del tags. Let's see the following example together. My favorite color is not blue, red. Is red. And the output shows like this. The next element is ins or ins, which stands for inserted text. We write the desired text between open and closing ins tags, and its output is underlined under the text written inside this tag. The next element is sub, which stands for subscript text. For example, if we want to write a formula like the H2O formula, we use the open and close sub tags, which we put two inside this element. The next element is sub, which stands for superscript text, which is exactly the opposite of the sub element, which writes the desired text above. The output is like this. Let's take a quick look. The B element bolded the text. The strong element bolded the text with the difference that it gave a special meaning to the text and made the text important to search engine. The I element italicized the text. The EM element italicized the text and was used for screen readers. The mark elements highlight the word. The small element reduces the font size of the text. The del element underlines middle of the word. The ins or ins element underlines the word. And the sub element produces a subtitle, and a sub element overrides the text. And what you have to do is to enter the VS Code and fully practice, my friends. Fully practice this content and test all of the elements and see the output. Until next session, bye bye.